Namaste and hello everyone. So guys, behalf of this April month, let's have a general guidance. Let's see what April wants to say to us via divine energies and universe and angels. Let's have a look. Let's start. Here's this first message for y'all: material and spiritual prosperity. So, guys, in your materialistic life and in your spiritual life, you are getting some or the other prosperity. Be ready. Claim the message, I would say, with this card. And guys, if you weren't that spiritual, then this is a message for you to go to a spirituality. Solar plexus chakra. With this message, I am getting two messages that for some of them you need to work on your solar plexus chakra. Above, you can imagine yellow color, just little above our navel, above the navel, and you can chant the beach mantra Ram for solar plexus. And for some of them, if you were working on your solar plexus chakra, yes, your solar plexus is healing, it's getting activated. So congratulations. Fulfillment of wishes, beautiful message. So I see many of you, your wishes are coming to fulfillment. So claim the message. Very beautiful message is coming, guys. So claim the message, I would say. Harmony, another beautiful message. Another thing that I am getting over here is, guys, you need to be little harmonious with respect to your relationship, with respect to yourself, guys. And if you're facing any issues or so, then yes, I would say that please be little harmonious. It will really help you in solving the issue. You just cannot be, rude every time. You just cannot just lash out, keep on lash outing every time, just take it in some other way. It will really work for you. Some of you are attracting these relationships, such type of a relationship. Disconnect and boredom. So guys, with respect to few things, you need to really disconnect yourself, and instead of just sitting and wondering, you need to take out time for yourself. Yes, in this summer, please go out somewhere, take time for yourself, take time for, just stay alone. Just don't, I would say, don't just keep on forcibly mixing up with people, socializing and all. If you feel to stay alone, if you feel to give time for yourself, just go ahead, guys. Just do not do anything forcibly. Just disconnect yourself. This is what I would say. I would, guys, and with this message, I feel that you need to connect with your heart chakra. This is also another message I'm getting over here. In the middle of the chest, you can imagine a green color and you can chant a beach word, yum. This is what I would say. It will help you in connecting with your heart chakra. You're not connected with yourself, and hence also you're feeling the same. So, according to your individual thing, you can resonate. Memories of love. So some of you seem to be in some old memories, past memories now, as there are two retrogrades that are going on and which are about to almost end now. One, Mercury retrograde is ending tomorrow, and Venus retrograde is ending on 12th of April. So during these retrogrades, past people tend to come in a life again. So maybe because of them, you are in those memories of love and all everything. This is what I see. Preserve it, guys. I would say do not focus on the bad side, and hence the message that memories of love. Truth. So, guys, whatever is coming in front of you, you need to accept it. You cannot run away from the truth. Accept truth. It may be about you, about someone else, about that particular situation, that circumstance, whatever it is, but you need to accept that truth. seek the truth. This is what I would say. You need to find out some hidden truths, some hidden mystery. This is what I would say with this card. So this was a general reading, guys, just with respect to the April month. If possible, I will really get guidance on your career, your materialistic life, money, finance, your love life, health. Okay, thank you.